Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbud SOUNDCORE A25i using application. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and then in the third line we have find device, so that's actually all what we need. Click on it. Okay, and we can play a song for the left one or right one earbuds, or for the both of them. Just click at the, let's say you look for the left earbud and you just click at here to play a song. You can add your right earbud. Now, to increase the volume, you need to increase the volume on your phone. And now it makes this volume more louder. When you found your earbuds, just click to pause it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.